Hello, good morning. My name is Vanaja. I am working as a secondary grade teacher. I have 12 years experience and my qualification is MA MED. I am living in Nirmal district and our Nirmal is famous for Koyabommalu. And our school name is Mandal Parshad Primary School located in Patayallapur W. It's a habitation school and located in Mandal Kanapur district Nirmal. Coming to my problem, as I told you earlier, our school is located in a habitation and almost all children are from illiterate background. So as I am teaching English, it's a big challenge to me to teach them English and to make them to speak in English, to make them to use a simple words in their daily life. It's the biggest problem to me. When I attended ZIIEI training, I have got many ideas. How could I improve my students' English language speaking and their uses of English? And I got many ideas from my colleague friends also. I really liked innovative Patashala training because I liked the point zero investment. Because we are the teachers and we have a great responsibility to improve the learning outcomes of our children. And in order to this, I learned many ideas from this innovative Patashala training that I got confidence that I could improve their learning outcomes by following innovative Patashala training ideas. Coming to benefits of this innovative Patashala training, it's a wonderful idea that collecting and printing their ideas and making them into a book and supplying them through online like through apps and so by following and by reading all these material we may get a solution to our problem. Who knows, one teacher may have one problem and other may have other problem. That's we have different problems, and if we follow and if we refer the material supplied by innovative Patashala, I'm sure that definitely we will get a solution to our problem because it's a wonderful collection of all teachers. uh, I like that water supplying ideas and our trainer is Mr. Pratik. He's so friendly and he's always ready to take our calls. Whenever we call him, he responded positively and gave good ideas and gave much freedom to share our feelings and conducted classes in a friendly way. Thank you, Pratik sir. My solution for my problem, that is, so my problem is, as I told you, our children are unable to use much English words in their speaking and they are unable to speak in English. So I followed the way that conducting role plays. I selected the stories, lessons, rhymes, poems from our textbook, and I made some dialogues. I made rehearsals, and I made videos of my school children, and I made them to participate in role plays. So while they are participating in role plays, unknowingly they produced dialogues in English. That's why automatically they learned English words, just like action words, some things names, like that. And another idea is I made use of rhymes. So it's a wonderful idea using rhymes for teaching English because it's quite natural that children love songs, children love rhymes, poems, like that. So I got this point, and whatever I want to teach my children. Because for example, if I want to teach action words on my own, I'm writing a rhyme by using action words, and I teach those action words through a rhyme. I sometimes I copy some lyrics, I copy some tunes, and then I can tune my own rhyme. And in this way also, children are learning many things like names, vegetables, flowers, grammar, everything by learning rhymes. So not only rhymes, those are the subject materials like grammar, prepositions, action words. Why our school is to be a model school means we are following the innovative ways. We are not following a only traditional ways to teach children. We are following different ways like making them playing and participating in dramas, skits, and we are taking them to outside like field trip, and we are making them to make activities which are referred in our textbooks. So for sometimes, for example, in our English textbook, we have many activities like making lemonade, making tea, making chapati. We made everything in school. We got all items like flour and all materials, and we made chapati, we made lemonade. And our students only, not teachers, our students only, by explaining the steps, they are making the things. So we are following this way. Definitely our school will be a model school.